Hello guys, in this tutorial I am gonna show you how we can use custom character and animation blueprints. Okay guys, let's see. First we need folder for blueprint and Blendspace. After that, create the Blendspace and now choose our CHR skeleton. You can find how to import custom characters and animation in the previous tutorial. Okay, now create animation blueprint, and here we also need to select our character skeleton. After that, double click on Blendspace. Now, in the axis setting, I am going to name this horizontal axis into direction, and minimum axis value is -180, maximum axis value is 180. Set interpolation time as a 1 because it helps to smooth our animation transitions. In the vertical axis, name as a speed, and maximum axis is 600. It's control our character speed. Okay, now we move to our animations. You should set the animation like the table. Simply drag and drop the animations. Hold left shift and left mouse button to view animations. Okay, now let's open our animation blueprint. In anim graph, right click and type new state machine and enter. Then hook up to final animation pose. After that, open new state machine. In the state machine, you need to add two states for now. First is idle, second walk or run. And open the walk or run state and drag our Blendspace and hook up. After that, create two variables. First one is direction and second is speed. Then open the idle state and drag idle animation and hook up. Now go to event graph. Now create cast to character node and drag the object and type try get ponono. Now we need to drag this out try get pawn owner and get velocity, and also going to get actor rotation. We drag this cast to character and type calculate direction and hook up all. Now I'm gonna convert this velocity into float. So type vector length squad and hook this into set speed. And the last one is calculate direction. So return value is hooked with set direction. Okay, now I am gonna set the transition node. Let's go ahead and open this one. In here, drag can enter transition and type float. Select greater than or equals. And first value is gonna be speed. Second value is 10. Now go back and open the second transition. In here, drag can enter transition and type float. Select less than or equal. And first value is gonna be speed and second value is 10. Now all are perfect, but one thing is left. We need to set our character. Now open third person character and go to your viewport. Click Mesh. We need to go ahead to change our character that we created earlier. And then for animation mode, we need to select our animation, whatever you named. Okay, we finished our all things. Now hit play to view our character animation. You can change third person into first person. If you want, please check my first person playlist. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe.